Why did Costco just experience its top five biggest gas selling weeks in history? And how is it secretly supercharging their entire business model? Welcome, and thank you so much for coming to watch the video today. We are breaking down Costco's Q3 2026 earnings, and I mean, there's just a lot hiding beneath the surface here.
There really is. I mean, looking at their prepared presentation, the financials are, well, they're staggering. Net income hit $2.19 billion.
Wow, so that's up what, like 15%?
Exactly, 15%. And net sales reached $69.15 billion, which is an 11.6% jump. Comp sales rose 9.8%, and e-commerce just skyrocketed by 21.5%.
That is huge.
Right. And record-breaking gas volumes are pulling in all these brand new shoppers. Plus, they guided for $6.5 billion in CapEx to, target 26 net new warehouses for fiscal year 2026.
Okay, so they're basically printing money at the pumps. Well, we are about to break down the analyst Q&A, uncovering how Costco is reacting to the weight loss drug boom and their true pricing strategy. But before we get to the best part, please click like, share the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for upcoming content.
Yeah, so diving right into the Q&A, Michael Lasser from UBS asked if their 4.1% membership growth meant slower sales overall.
And what did Costco say to that?
Well, they noted a 7% growth if you exclude FX and fees. It's really driven by a 9% bump in high-spending executive members, which actually Chris Nardone at Bank of America asked about later on.
Wait, so are those executive bumps new signups or are people just trading up?
Costco confirmed it's both. People just really want those rewards.
Makes sense. But Simeon Gutman over at Morgan Stanley noticed a 9 basis point core margin dip. If sales are up that much, why the dip?
Right, so Costco said they purposefully reinvested their savings to lower prices on things like gas, beef, and eggs.
Oh, wow. So they're just eating the cost.
It's exactly. Christopher Horvers at JP Morgan asked about lowering prices early, and Costco just affirmed their whole mantra. First to come down, last to go up.
That is wild, especially when Greg Melich at Evercore ISI brought up inflation.
Yeah, because gas and plastics are inflating, but Costco noted that produce and eggs are actually deflating for them.
So they use cheap eggs and gas to keep you loyal.
Pretty much. And speaking of loyalty, Peter Benedict at Baird asked about the GLP-1 weight loss drug impacts.
Right, because people on those drugs eat way less food. You'd think a bulk grocery store would panic.
You would think. But Costco noted a massive boom in protein items like protein bars and ultra-filtered milk. Plus, their pharmacy market share is just growing.
It's like they're skating to where the puck is going. They adapt so quickly.
They really do. And Oliver Chen at TD Cowen brought up retail media and tech ROI.
Oh, like AI and website upgrades?
Yeah, Costco prioritizes the member experience, so their tech investments are actually lowering payroll costs. Rupesh Parikh at Oppenheimer specifically asked about AI search.
Did they have a good answer for that?
They did. They explained that AI effectively highlights their hidden value, like reminding you that a new appliance price actually includes free installation.
That's super smart. What about delivery, though? Scott Ciccarelli at Truist asked if they need their own delivery network, right?
Yeah, but Costco's perfectly happy with their 45-minute third-party deliveries right now.
So with all this growth, aren't they running out of room in the stores?
Well, Zihan Ma from Bernstein asked about store capacity limits. Costco is relying on faster checkout tech and, honestly, just expanding their parking lots.
Just making the lots bigger, I love it.
And building more globally. John Heinbockel at Guggenheim asked about international expansion. Costco highlighted really strong pipelines in Canada, China, and Spain.
Incredible. So are they doing a special dividend with all this extra cash? I know Chuck Grom from Gordon Haskett asked about that.
They're prioritizing warehouse growth first, but they definitely remain open to a dividend down the line.
Got it. So just to wrap up the main themes here, Costco has this relentless price authority. They use gas as a literal loyalty funnel, and they adapt seamlessly to tech and health trends.
That's the perfect summary. They use everyday necessities to build unbreakable loyalty and keep their own costs down.
It really leaves you with a fascinating provocation, though. Like, if AI gets so advanced that it perfectly calculates the true cost of convenience, factoring in things like free installation and zero hidden fees, will Costco's all-inclusive pricing model completely disrupt the rest of online shopping? Something to think about. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please click like, share, and subscribe.